I did an online business event earlier this year that's focused on helping people start and build online businesses. And a common theme that I'd hear time and time again, particularly from people coming from corporate backgrounds, was that they'd had a moment where they'd realised enough was enough. They'd realised that waking up with a sense of dread every Monday morning was not a way to live life. They'd realised that leaving the house before their family woke up and coming home in the evening after their family had gone to bed was not a life. They weren't willing to do another 30 years of the same endless monotony, so they had to find another way. And they turned to online business because they realised that in this day and age, building businesses online, selling other people's products or physical products businesses, which are readily available to everyone, millions of business owners all around the world started building businesses around their passions and getting great success online. And they'd realised that if it was possible for other people, then they could do it too. There was nothing special about the people who were achieving the result that they wanted to achieve themselves. But they were telling me that their problem was when they first made that decision that they didn't know where to start. You know, they'd look online, they'd go on Google, they'd go on YouTube. It was information overload. There was so much stuff online about, you know, how to start an online business and so many different ideas from so many different people that they didn't know where to start. Everyone at this event had actually figured out the path that they were going to start walking through the same company. And this company for more than 10 years had been teaching people how to make a start, how to build online businesses. And I remember I first came across this company myself 2.5 years ago. I actually contacted their co-founder because I was interested in what they were doing. And he gave me a video series that explained the foundations of what they do and how they help and support people start building online businesses. How they give them a community, how they give them mentors, how they give them live training, in the trenches stuff for what they're currently doing and what their students are currently doing to build and scale online businesses in various different industries. And for me, that was eye-opening that that kind of resource was available in one place to support people in making this start and moving forwards on this journey. And so part of what I'm doing is to give people who feel that they want something more from their lives, who feel that they don't want to give up on their goals and they don't want to dedicate their lives to building their boss's dreams. I want to give people the same opportunity that many others have had to make a start. So somewhere on this video, I'm going to put a link. It's going to take you to my website, but if you enter your name and email address, I'll send you the video series that the co-founder of this education company that's helped so many others online make a start. I'll send you the video series that he said I could share with you, because I've seen firsthand how many people it's helped. It massively helped me as well. When I started my first company, it was with the support of these guys. They enabled me to take those first steps and to actually see that I was worth more.